Where should I get my essential oils from? Before we start going through the different essential oils, I wanted to go through a few important points to make sure your essential oils are of high quality and are sourced properly. Always make sure that they are in a dark bottle, such as dark blue or dark brown amber bottle. This ensures that they do not degrade and keeps them more potent for longer. As essential oils are light sensitive when they are exposed to light, the active compounds will begin to break down at a faster rate. Avoid bottles with rubber droppers, as these can react with the essential oil and spoil them. Instead, opt for orifice reducers. This is a small, clear insert inside the bottle opening that acts as a built-in dropper. Unlike a rubber dropper, orifice reducers are not made of rubber and do not react with the essential oils, which prevents spoilage. Note that not all suppliers provide orifice reducers. However, they can be purchased separately and attached. They are widely available. Also, you can use roller bottle toppers and spray bottle toppers as well to help when applying the essential oil or a mixture. Avoid essential oils stored in plastic bottles, as the plastic can react with the essential oil and spoil them. Instead, choose dark glass bottles. The essential oils must be pure. This will make sure they last longer and are more powerful. Essential oils must also be therapeutic grade. This means they are concentrated enough so that they don't just smell and look good, but actually give you a positive effect to enhance your life. Also, if you want to take some of the oils internally, make sure they are also food grade. Ensure the manufacturer cares for the environment and sustainably produces and sources the essential oils, as we don't want to damage the environment. We want to coexist with it in a positive way. As a note, I have used essential oils from a company called Young Living, which I trust, and they provide high quality essential oils.